Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, for the month of June, I am giving away, I always do a monthly palette giveaway. And so for the month of June, it is the Ish I'm Smoking Hot palette. Beautiful neutrals. Love this palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that talks about the video and tells you exactly how to enter for this. So go and do that. Also, when this channel reaches 200 subscribers, we are close. I have a big box of things and we're going to be giving away, doing a big giveaway when we hit 200 subscribers. Help us get there. Also, for thirdly, I have just filmed in anticipation of my 100th video, which will be really coming up pretty soon, a big giveaway for that as well. So we've got like 3 different things going on. Help us get there, you guys. So let's talk GLOSSYBOX. I was kind of on the fence about them before, and some of the products I did really like. Some of them I was like, you're paying $21 for samples, and you know, you're getting up to the BoxyCharm price. It didn't seem worth it to me. Every once in a while they will put in a full-size one. Last time they did put in at least one, if not 2 full-size ones, and they were really good ones. So it kind of made up for it. So let's dive into this one. If you are new to GLOSSYBOX, it does ship out monthly for $21. There's 5 either full-size or deluxe size samples in there. Sometimes, like I said, they do throw in that full size. So let's dive into this box. I love how the boxes are all really sturdy. I use them to store stuff in. The lid is so pretty. You do have a pamphlet that talks about the products inside, and everything always comes neatly gift wrapped. I do have a link in the description box down below for GLOSSYBOX. When you use that link, you guys can save 20% off your first box. So pretty big. Here's an eyeshadow palette. It's full size. It is from Sleek Eyeshadow Palette, mineral based eyeshadow. Sun is shining. Here is what the palette looks like. How pretty is this? It does also come with a dual end brush. I think you can create some really stunning looks in here. This palette does retail for $11.99. It says, other than good luck for a wedding day, whether thinking sunny, get sunny, this palette of nudes, golds, and shimmers is perfect for daytime wear with its mineral-based, highly pigmented eyeshadows that shine equally on all skin tones. A tip from the pros: shadow on or before foundation to cover up mistakes and to create cleaner lines. That's what I always do. I always do my eyeshadow first, and then I can kind of sweep away, you know, with a wipe or makeup brush and just kind of clean everything up, and then I will go and put my foundation on. This is really pretty, you guys. Let's do this one for one of the upcoming month's giveaways for an eyeshadow palette. Really pretty nail polish. It's kind of almost got like a duochrome to it. In some lights it looks like a really pretty purple. Others it's kind of a mauve shade. So it's a nail lacquer colorways. It is in the shade All the QueensBling. Does retail for $9.50. And we're so happy to have the Creme de la Creme of Nail Lacquer, Morgan Taylor, as our go-to for the perfect manicure. With nice creamy texture and a full brush, you only need 2 coats and a clear swipe for the finishing touch to any event. Tip: we highly suggest 2 thin coats of polish instead of 1 thick coat. This minimizes drying time and creates a seamless professional look. I always put a base coat on and then 2 coats, and then I also do a topper coat. So I think this is really pretty. Invisibobble. I know we've gotten kind of like the round looking telephone looking here scrunchy type things in the past. This one though is called the Waiver. And what it is, they're perfect for hair styling, updos, or just holding your hair in place while you do your makeup. The game-changing, non-crimping bobby pin alternative is going to be your new best friend from hair revolutionary Invisibobble. With a 3D helix shape, slide lock technology, and strong hold, your hair will thank you with no dents or bends or flyaways. For the full size, you get 3 of them, and that full size retails for $7. This is only 1 of them. And the tip is sometimes the quickest solution is the easiest for hairstyling. A simple half updo with the right accessories can be dressed up or down with a perfect hair clip. 2.0. I do know that they comes in the darker colors, and I know for me I would prefer a darker shade, so I'm probably gonna pass this one along to one of my lighter hair friends. From Hask Unwind, we get 2 hair masks. Provence Rosé Deep Conditioner. I like how it's kind of like wine themed. A fan of rosé and hydration, we love how Hask Unwind blends the health benefits of wine packed with antioxidants and rosé to strengthen, hydrate, and protect color-treated hair with deep conditioner. Plus, who doesn't love shiny hair that smells like roses and watermelons? Ooh, that sounds yummy. Tip: when deep conditioning, make sure to focus the product on your ends as they are the most fragile part of your hair. Retails for $4. $4? No. Okay, back it up. They are inflating prices, is what GLOSSYBOX just did. Because I have seen these, I know, at Walmart for $1.87. So they are putting $4 on here. They say that you can purchase them from Ulta. Let me look and see how much Ulta is charging really quick. So Ulta is charging $4 for these, so that is true. But big but here, you guys, you can find these exact same things at Walmart for $1.87. This one is the Hask Unwind Brut Rosé Deep Conditioner. Sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors. This deep conditioner by Hask Unwind is perfect compare special day color treated hair with rosé nourished grapeseed oil to add shine and strawberry extract to condition and protect your crown. Will be soft to the touch and sweeter than rose. To say goodbye to tangles, apply conditioner first, then use a wide tooth comb while in the shower or let the product rest. Retails from Ulta for $4. From Hardie, pink clay mask. If you guys don't know, I do a masking series, and so I will definitely be trying this one up when I'm doing my clay mask series that I've got kind of scheduled to go on. This clay mask glides over the skin to gentle exfoliate away impurities with moringa oil and Australian pink clay, while also providing deep hydration to end radiant and glowing skin. Tip: don't want to smudge a manicure, apply the clay mask by using a foundation brush. This keeps your hands from getting messy and guaranteed even application. Full size of this does retail for $54. Full size 50 milliliters. This is just a sample size of 15 milliliters. So look for this one in an upcoming video. This one is kind of making the rounds. I think we got this in a Look Fantastic, if I'm not mistaken. It is the Omorovicza, don't know if I pronounced that right, cleansing foam. And from the curative waters of Budapest, all Omorovicza products have a blend of Hungary's mineral-rich springs in their patented healing concentrate delivery system. This cleansing foam is combined with the finest essential oils, vitamins, and other natural ingredients sourced from across the globe, from the bed of Lake Havis to the peak of the Andes Mountains. Tip: remember to cleanse in small upward circles for roughly 20 to 30 seconds. Any longer can lead to irritation. I like to do something like this as part of a two-step process, where the first step I will use a balm to help kind of break up and remove all the makeup, and then I'll go in with some sort of cleansing soap for the second step. The size of this does retail for $30. The full size is 30 milligrams. The little guy right here, which is only 1.01 fluid ounces, does retail for $30. So what do I think about this box? I think it was okay. I think last month's was better. It's okay. Not the best, not the worst. I do really like the Emma Hardie. I really like, and then this cleansing balm. The nail polish I think is cute. The Invisibobble doesn't really work for me. I wish that it was a lighter color, and it just really kind of irritated me with these guys, because I think that they should be, don't double the price and put it on there. Items were your favorites. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does mean a lot to me when you subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.